So what are grubs? Simply put, grubs are the larvae stage of a beetle. They are found in the soil. They have white to gray fleshy bodies with brown heads, and they feed on your lawn's roots. How do you know if you have grubs? Look for brown dead patches where the turf easily lifts and peels back. Another sign you have grubs are mole tunnels, or animals such as skunks and raccoons digging your lawn. They love eating grubs. How do you get rid of grubs? Scott's Grub B Gone Max Grub Killer is your best defense against grubs. Its spreadable, granular format is easy to apply. It contains Bacillus thuringiensis, BT. It's a microbe naturally found in soil-borne bacteria, and when ingested by grubs, it kills them. Apply in late spring through summer when grubs are present. For application rates and timing, follow directions outlined on the label. After applying, this product must be watered in to work, whether by hand or by nature. Save your lawn before it's too late with Scott's Grub B Gone Max Grub Killer.